Hi folks, let's get straight into it. Today we're going to be unboxing this. This is the P1 Tyre inflator from Innov. Tyre inflator stroke battery pack stroke flashlight. So if that's of interest to you, stay tuned. Innov, I've used their equipment in the past. I've currently got a third eye unit on my bike, which is the blind spot detection unit, which is absolutely brilliant. I've had it 3 years plus now, and I never had an issue with it at all. And it's really accurate, to be quite honest. Also, I had I think it was a K5 or the K6 camera system that I had. That again was perfect, no problems at all. It was the one with the GPS sensor and remote control, but like a fool, when I sold the GS I left it on and sold somebody else who got the benefit of that. Okay then folks, without further ado, this is it. It's the Innov P1 Tyre inflator. It's not just a tyre inflator, it's a little bit more than that. It's a quick inflation. It supports up to 150 psi for the quick and effortless inflation. It's a portable design, lightweight and easy to carry, which I'll show you in a minute. Safe and reliable. Long battery life. It's actually got 6,000 milliamp battery for extended use. And it's got a built-in light. So it's actually more than just a tyre inflating module. Right, further ado, let's open it up and have a look. The casing, the packaging is absolutely brilliant. It's got a seal on it, security seal on it, when it was delivered. Okay then, we'll open the case and have a look what's in there. The packaging, as I've said, is absolutely top class. Really is. I'm saying it, from the time they spoke to me about it, it arrived in 5 days, and I am in the UK based, as you know, so 5 days. So I think it must have a good UK distributor somewhere close to sort that out. Let's open the box and have a look what's inside here. As I say, the packaging is excellent. 2 stickers for the tank, for the top box on my bike. Some instructions, well, all there for you to see. It should be quite straightforward, I would have thought, but you never know with me, dear. I'm going to package in there. Let's get it off and see if we can get it out. I'm going to have to tip it this way, I think, to get it out. That's better, so that I can get my hands on it. I don't want it to fall to the ground. So that's it. That just looks like a bit of foam packaging. In here is gonna be, there's the goodies, the little bits that go with it, and I should imagine that again is just another bit of foam packaging. I'll put that back there. Right, I'll move these out of the way. So that's it. Innov P1 Tyre inflator. First thing is, this is heavy. This is very substantial. Very substantial. I have to be honest. Now I'll put a piece of white card down here so you can focus on the background, else otherwise you'll lose it on my desk. Very substantial. Steel construction. Excellent build quality. So as you can see, we've got the hose connection, straightforward, screws in the top, onto your bike as you would. USB charger, charging lead, USB to USB, which is pretty much the norm now these days, and various connections. I should imagine that's for a ball and different type of valves or whatever, but in my case I'll be just using it for the bike, so I'll be just be using this one here. So we switch it on, see what happens. Oh, here we go. It's actually come up with a tire pressure on it at the moment. And if you notice that same car, I think if you toggle down motorcycle, push bike, ball, how's that? Can't do no fairer than that, can you? So we'll come all the way back up. Sorry, let's set that one off. So, car, motorcycle. Now it's PSI, but I'm pretty sure you can run it into bar, yeah. And PSI is the one I like, to be fair. And I would use, that's what's that saying, 35. 135. I use 36 is the front of my bike and 42 at the back, but we'll do that later on. We'll take it outside, give it a quick test on the motorcycle. You can see here it's got 3 bars on it, so it's a pretty robust machine, I must be honest. You can look at the top now. I don't know whether you can see that. I'm pointing that to you. That's where we're going to fit the hose adapter, USB charging port there. Well, it's actually a USB extension port, because this, all the little devices on it, I don't know whether you're going to get to see this. Got a light, emergency light, which flashes rapid. Useful if you have any issues, especially if you've got a punch or something like that, and you can always drop this on the back of the bike while you're down there, and it'll people aware that you what you're going to be doing. So that's it in a nutshell. There we have the Innov P1 Tyre inflation. So that's the unit unboxed. So what we're going to do now, come with me, we're going to pop down the garage and give it a real world test on my beautiful Suzuki GX. So folks, as I say, the proof of the pudding's in the eating. We'll switch it on. You can see there, we'll move that down to motorcycle. We'll drop that down to, it should be, put that up to 42, which is what I would use in my back tyre. Press the button, and away we go. What we on? 41, 41 and a half, 42, and we should get a stop. Perfect. Perfect. So that's it, a successful demonstration of the Innov P1 tyre inflator. A must-have for any motorcyclist that's seriously out riding. You never know what's going to happen, punches, flat tyres, whatever. But I can assure you, one of these is perfect for the job. Even comes in this little plastic carrying case. You've got 22 minutes life in the battery, and it takes 3.5 hours to charge. So all I would say is that it's a real must-have to any motorcyclist who's out there. It's far better than what I've ever used in the past, and it's going to go one place, and that is in the top box of the Suzuki GX And that's it. So until next time, it's the Lone Wolf Ride saying please tick, please like, give us a subscribe, drop us a comment. There is a link, TLWR 8, which is my discount code. It's 8%, it may be more, it varies up to different offers that's on. But all you're doing is, if you do have one, you're donating a little bit to my channel. It is only pennies, folks, but it'll go towards a tank of fuel so as I can get out and about, make some more great videos. So until the next time, the Lone Wolf Rides saying bye for now, and don't forget, just you be careful out there. It's the Lone Wolf Rides saying bye for now.